Welcome everyone. Welcome to the new episode. I am Sagir Hassan, CEO Grow with Sagir Global Alliance. I'm very happy to introduce our today's guest, the guest who is able to send you to the dream country, Canada, Miss Monica, the immigration expert. Good morning, Miss Monica.
Good morning.
Welcome to the podcast.
Thank you so much for having me here. I'm very excited.
Yes, I can understand the way you are feeling here. It's really amazing. Just want to start for our audience who is here to know about you much more. Just introduce yourself in such a way that no one should forget that.
Right. So I'm Monica. मेरा नाम Monica है. And I would like to call myself as a seasoned immigration professional. I've been in this immigration business for more than 7 years now into the consulting business. Someone who's extremely passionate about helping people, helping individuals, helping families make their move to Canada and, turn their Canadian dream into reality.
Okay, great. See, I'm from Pakistan, you're from India. I think each and every person from these two countries want to go out.
Definitely.
They need the immigration, right? They have some dream in their heart which is pulping up.
Definitely.
So why only Canada?
Well, see, we don't say ki only go to Canada. But now see, if you're here in Dubai who's been here for more than 7 years, you've been here for approximately 7 to 10 years, you want to move somewhere, you want to get a stronger passport. What are your options? You might want to move to countries like USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Canada. Okay? USA mein you would be aware passport lene mein, it takes forever. UK takes about 7 years. Australia is also quite, tough in terms of immigration. New Zealand, there is no clear pathway for immigration. So what's left? You have Canada, you have the easiest and the safest option and the most economical option. What does it take to immigrate to Canada? Apart from your eligibility, it is very cost effective. You barely invest about, say, like 25 to 30,000 dirhams. And what is an investment of 25,000 dirhams for your future?
Oh, great. Just tell about your company. What the beautiful name, Ask Kuber. How it starts?
It was founded by Mr. Kuber Kamal, who's the founder and director of Ask Kuber. So he started this company based on his own personal immigration journey. He was someone like us who was working in Dubai, quite well settled, and they wanted to make this move of moving to Canada, due to their personal requirements. And he had an immigration consultant handle his application. So जैसे कि होता है, this particular agency was not that responsive to him. So उन्होंने अपना पूरा process खुद किया. He had done his own process, and he started helping others because he used to read a lot about immigration, and he used to pass that information. जैसे आप देखते होंगे, जैसे Quora kind of websites है, other lot of Facebook groups है where people ask questions. So he used to answer all those questions in the most effective way, and then people made him famous. जिनको अपने answers मिले कुबेर सर से, they started tagging him कि अगर you have any questions related to Canada, ask Kuber. And that's how it became a company. He got this idea of actually making this a company in order to help people, not fool people, not waste their hard-earned money. And he came up with this idea. It was, like I always say, it was never a money-making business. The idea of this business is to help people immigrate in the most ethical way possible.
Brilliant. Great. So just let me know about your inspirational story, because everybody knows about Ask Kuber as a big name.
Right.
But we want to know about Monica. How Monica became at this stage where she is looking forward.
Right. So my inspiration, honestly, since I've been doing this for a lot of time, I draw a lot of my inspiration from my clients, from their stories. होता ये है कि when the clients get comfortable with you, they start sharing their personal stories. And I think that is the best part of my job. I love that about my job कि मुझे daily basis पे इतने लोगों से बात करने का chance मिलता है. I speak to people on a regular basis. They open up. They share their personal story, and every person has a unique story. Every client has a unique story, and getting to know that, it gives you a lot of inspiration. And especially when someone reaches their destination, जब उनका काम हो जाता है, when they get their approval, honestly, there's no other feeling like it.
Great. And can you describe your role model?
My role model has to be my mother, for sure, because she is one person whom I've seen up close, like very closely. So I'm a single child, brought up in a nuclear family. So both my parents was always working. Like from the time I remember, both my parents were working. And आज की date में, if I have to imagine, it is so difficult for me to understand like how my mom was. She used to work, have a job, work full time, come back home, take care of the house, take care of me, take care of the family, take care of two children, one me and one my father. जैसे husbands are always like children. And she used to do it so effortlessly, something that I cannot even imagine right now. Right? I have a cook at home. I have someone to help me with the household chores because I'm feeling I have a full-time job. I cannot go home and, take care of home and do all those kind of things. But I'm just amazed at how my mother, in fact, women of, the previous generation, how they could manage to have everything together. She's definitely my role model.
Okay, many of the people come to the Dubai, they try to be settled here and they used to be struggling in the early stages. Especially our youth coming from many of the countries, not only from our two countries, many of the countries. What message you will give them? What they should come and do to stay here for a longer time? Message to the youth, our upcoming generations.
Right. So I would say to the people, respect your journey. Please understand that your journey is very different. It's very unique, from others. So don't constantly compare your journey with everyone else, because this is one thing that people of my generation or the younger generation always tends to do. You look at someone else who's at a certain place, who, you feel has reached a certain success lab, and you constantly want to get somewhere. I would say be patient, relax yourself, take your journey as it is. And if you are looking into, particularly for people who are looking into immigration, my request is please do some of your own research. आप please अपना खुद homework कर ले, go to the IRCC website, read about, immigration. When I say do a lot of research, I'm not talking about कि मेरे अंकल ने कहा, my uncle said do this, my friend said do that, उनका ऐसा process हुआ. No, everyone's application paperwork is completely different. You read the IRCC website, and if you're planning for immigration, please remember to only speak to a licensed consultant. Licensed consultant means not someone who has a trade license in Dubai. My clients say this, जब मैं उनसे पूछती हूँ कि भाई आप किसी licensed consultant से बात कर रहे, they say yes, उनके पास trade license है, उनका office बहुत बड़ा है. Don't be swayed by these things. Just for people to understand, a licensed consultant is someone who is registered, who is licensed by the Canadian government, who is licensed by CICC, which is the College of Immigration and Citizenship Canada, right? So you need to speak to an RCIC consultant, and not just agencies who open up companies over here and say कि आप यहाँ का process कर ले, Australia चले जाए, Canada चले जाए. That's not how it works.
Great. Monica, last but not least, I just want to ask from you one sentence, one word, which should be describing Monica. Means I say in Hindi कि मैं अगर वो लफ्ज़ याद रखूँ तो Monica याद आ जाए. What that sentence should be, what that word should be for our audience. So they should know, हाँ वो वाली podcast, something like that.
Right. So I would say as of now, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, a seasoned immigration professional. That's how I would like to remember myself. That's how I would like people to remember me. Please remember me as a genuine and honest immigration consultant who's actually passionate about helping people, and not just making a sale or trying to convert you into business.
I can conclude an angel who can take you to your dream destination like Canada, right?
Right.
Okay, great. Thank you, Una, for your time. And
Thank
really
you.
a pleasant speaking with you.
Thank you so much.
Hope our audience will love this. And very soon we'll be coming with many other expertise on the platform of Grow with Sagat Global Alliance. And let's see in upcoming episodes. Thank you.